Engine failure is rarely an accident. It is almost always a slow-motion homicide caused by cheap components, bad advice, and missed maintenance. Car manufacturers love telling you that a vehicle hitting 100,000 miles is living on borrowed time because they want you back in the showroom signing a fresh car loan. But the truth is, modern engines are mechanical marvels, capable of effortlessly crossing 300,000 miles if you actively protect them from their three worst enemies: friction, heat, and acidic sludge. In this video, we are uncovering 6 quick maintenance hacks that can help your engine survive another 100,000 miles and make it last beyond 300,000 miles. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, the 5,000-mile synthetic oil protocol. Modern car manufacturers love advertising 10,000-mile or even 15,000-mile oil change intervals because lower theoretical ownership costs make new cars look better to fleet buyers. However, behind closed doors, master technicians know that extended oil drain intervals are a primary catalyst for premature engine death. Over thousands of miles, synthetic oil absorbs unburned fuel, moisture, and combustion byproducts, which slowly degrades its critical chemical additive package. When this happens, oxidized oil forms thick carbon sludge that clogs microscopic oil passages, starbs variable valve timing actuators, and bakes onto delicate piston rings until they lock up completely. By capping your oil change interval at a strict 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first, you constantly replenish the detergent pack inside the engine. This single habit prevents timing chain stretch, stops internal oil consumption before it starts, and preserves critical bearing surfaces for hundreds of thousands of miles. Hack number 2, the $15 PCV valve swap. This tiny component gets almost no attention from drivers, but it plays an important role in controlling crankcase vapors. It's called the PCV, or Positive Crankcase Ventilation System. During normal operation, high-pressure blow-by gases force their way past the piston rings and into the lower crankcase. Here, the PCV valve acts as a critical one-way pressure release valve. It routes these toxic, oily gases back into the intake manifold where they can be safely burned off inside the combustion chambers. Over time, oil vapor and carbon sludge cause this tiny mechanical valve to gum up and stick completely shut. When that happens, crankcase pressure can rise rapidly and force engine oil past vulnerable seals and gaskets. A failing PCV system can contribute to leaks around the valve cover, crankshaft seals, and other critical areas. The good news is that this is one of the simplest and cheapest components to inspect or replace. Checking or replacing the PCV valve around 30,000 miles can help protect your engine from expensive oil leaks and unnecessary repairs. Hack number 3, flushing coolant before electrolysis strikes. If there is one system that deserves more attention from high-mileage drivers, it's the cooling system. Most drivers think antifreeze only matters when temperatures drop below freezing or the engine starts overheating. But coolant has a chemical lifespan too. Modern coolant contains a precise blend of anti-corrosion inhibitors, silicates, and pH buffers designed to protect the delicate metallic alloys inside your cooling system. Over years of thermal cycling, these protective additives break down entirely. That transforms the fluid from a protective lubricant into an acidic, conductive solution. Once the fluid breaks down, then a destructive phenomenon known as stray current electrolysis occurs that effectively turns your cooling system into a functional battery. This electrical current actively pulls molecules off aluminum cylinder heads, rots water pump impellers from the inside out, and eats through head gaskets. That's why it is recommended to flush your cooling system with fresh, pre-mixed coolant every 50,000 miles. This neutralizes acid buildup, prevents head gasket failure, and keeps thermal expansion balanced across the entire block. Hack number 4, give your engine a longer warm-up, but don't let it sit idling forever. Letting your car sit idling in the driveway for 15 minutes on a cold winter morning might warm up the cabin heater, but it is actively stripping thousands of miles off your engine's lifespan. When an engine starts in freezing temperatures, the computer injects a heavily enriched air-fuel mixture to keep combustion stable until optimal operating temperatures are met. During a stationary idle, the engine warms up painfully slowly, which causes that excess unburned gasoline to mist across the icy cylinder walls. This raw fuel acts as a solvent that washes away the protective film of motor oil and leaves bare metal piston rings to rub directly against metal cylinder sleeves. The absolute best way to warm up a modern vehicle is to start it, wait 30 seconds for oil pressure to stabilize throughout the top end, and drive off gently. Under light driving loads, the engine reaches proper operating temperature 3 times faster, which in result eliminates severe fuel dilution and minimizes cold start scuffing. Hack number 5. Replacing air filters before microabrasives enter. An engine air filter does far more than just trap fallen leaves and visible road debris. It serves as your combustion chamber's ultimate line of defense against microscopic silica dust. Even if an intake filter looks reasonably clean from a distance, still its microscopic cotton or synthetic fibers gradually saturate with microscopic dirt particles over 12 to 15,000 miles of driving. As the filter degrades or loses its tight perimeter seal, then the ultra-fine dust particles bypass the filtration barrier and get sucked directly into the intake runner. Once inside the cylinder, then these microscopic, glass-like silica particles mix with the oil film on the cylinder walls and start to act as a fine liquid sandpaper. Every stroke of the piston grinds these abrasive particles against the cross-hatching of the cylinder bores and the faces of the compression rings. That's why it is best to replace your engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean air filter ensures clean airflow, optimizes fuel atomization, and prevents microscopic grit from slowly grinding away your engine's compression over time. Hack number 6. Don't ignore small leaks. A tiny leak today can become a major mechanical problem tomorrow, and AAA's current maintenance guidance specifically warns that delaying routine service can allow small issues to become much more expensive repairs. An oil leak can eventually lower the engine's oil level. A coolant leak can lead to overheating, and an intake or vacuum leak can affect engine operation. The quick hack is a 5-minute visual inspection. After the vehicle has been parked, look for fresh spots underneath. Then inspect visible areas around the oil filter, valve cover, hoses, radiator connections, and other service points for wetness or dried residue. Don't assume every fluid is engine oil. Transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and washer fluid can look very different and may appear in different locations. If you see a new leak, identify the root cause before simply topping off the fluid and forgetting about it. And never crawl underneath a vehicle supported only by a jack. Use proper stands and safety procedures. The golden rule is simple: find the leak while it's a leak, not after it becomes a low oil or overheating warning. That's all for this video. Engine longevity is not luck, it's mechanical discipline. Taking care of these 6 components will cost you less than a single monthly car payment per year, but it will keep your vehicle running smoothly well past the 300,000 mile mark.